I installed a 14-inch radius bridge on this Les Paul Tribute. Now, the G and the D string are just too high, and you can't adjust them. So with the 14-inch radius, these are lower. It's a little flatter bridge. The problem I came across is the center screw is a 5 millimeter, and the diameter, outside diameter of this hole for this particular bridge is 6. So I had to get a brass tube, right, and cut it down to size. This is a 6 millimeter tube, and the wall size is 0.05, but this works fine. And you just have to, you cut it to height, right? And it slips right down in the hole, and then the whole bridge assembly goes right on, nice and easy. This allows you to back out. You don't have to drill anything or change anything. Now, also, too, this 14 millimeter radius bridge is 52 millimeters across, which is what you need for Trembucker size or F-spaced, Floyd Rose spaced pickups, which the Tribute actually comes with. So now the strings line up over the pole pieces correctly, and you still have plenty of space here along the edge. It really didn't change this much at all. It was so minute. So don't worry about putting on a 52 millimeter in here. That's fine. But the brass tubes, got them on Amazon. And this bridge, I think, was $26. It's the roller bridge. I didn't really want a roller bridge, but it was the cheapest one to experiment with. Problem with some of these roller bridges is this screw at the back, the threads are crappy. So when you try to bring some of these back towards the end, if the screw has bad threads, then it jams, it tightens up, and you can bust the screw head off. So that's the problem you have there. If you do change out your bridge, measure all these on the old one and try and set them close to where they originally were before you put the bridge on. That'll make setting your intonation a lot quicker. So anyways, I hope that helps. This was a good solution to get a bridge on there. Your other solution is, I think it's Cluson has a 14 millimeter, but see, these holes are 4 millimeter, and they will not fit on this 5 millimeter post. So your other option is buy the one with the 4 millimeter holes, and you got to drill these out to 5. And I suggest you do that in a drill press, maybe with a carbide bit so you don't chip the chrome. But the Cluson one has non-roller saddles. I'll keep these for now because they're working fine. But there you go. I hope that helps. And the G and the D string are now lower, which is nice. I don't find when I bend my B string, my finger's not getting stuck under the G. And the G is just down a little bit lower, so works out really well on the on this supposedly, I guess, 12-inch radius neck. Hope that helps. Bye.